What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? This your boy Domino7 here. Like to welcome y'all to my vlog, my unboxing. Okay, about to unbox this here from eBay. I know y'all see all that because I don't want my address or my name or whatever to show on this. Some of you already know my name and stuff like that. Try to keep away stalkers or whatever. Alright, so I'm about to unbox all this that I got from eBay. Okay, so here we go. We'll use a pair of scissors. Let me use this. Okay, make sure I don't poke no holes in it. Alright. Alright. Yep, here we go. Almost done. Almost done with it. Okay. All right, let's finish even more. All right, we almost done with it. Okay. Let me just put the box down here and sit down. Okay. At least it ain't fragile. It's not that fragile. Okay. All right, open this here. All right. I would do a live stream unboxing, but I gotta charge my phone. All right. All right, let's see what I got in here. Okay, this gonna go on all three of my YouTube channels. Okay, the Domino7 Show channel, the Word Domino7, and the Domino866 Gameplay channel. Okay. All right, almost got it. Almost done, y'all. So wish me luck. All right. Uh-oh, damn it. I don't want to cut my finger like I did last time, on because these boxes is sharp. Very, very, very sharp. All right, here we go. Open we go. All right, what's in here? All right, what's this? What we have here? All right, NHL 2009. You see, here we go. Look what I got here. NHL 2009. All right. Bowling, extreme bowling. Okay. All right. Let's check more in this box. Okay. There must be some more in here. All right. Let's see. Oh, look what we got here. MLB 2008 The Show. Okay, and look what we have here. Tiger Woods a PGA Tour 2004. Yep. Well, I played golf. Yeah, y'all saw me play golf on the video game before. All right. Look at this. Oh, I got do some gameplays on this. Yeah. ESPN basketball. NHL 2K7. Yep. There seems to be some more in here. All right. That's what we got in here. Oh, Baseball, more baseball, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Baseball, okay? There's some more baseball in here, okay? More and more in here, okay? Baseball 2005, MLB, Major League Baseball, I should say. It seems to be some more in here. Uh-huh. I guess that's it. Fight Night 2000, let me see. Fight Night Round 5. Kind of like, let's get rid of the Rumble, huh? Is there some more in here? Oh. There's no more in here. Alright. Thank y'all for watching my unboxing. Some of you already saw in the thumbnail and stuff like that. If you're not watching this on the Domino 866 channel, subscribe. Look at the links below of my other channels. If you're not watching this on the Domino 866 channel, but if you're watching this video on the Domino 866 channel, there's no link in the description. Okay? All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye.